E-commerce law. In addition to a strong business started, it's important to has been basic understanding of e-commerce law. Online seller purchase those selling provide a across state line. Fact different legal and financial problem. The Federal Trade Commission must e-commerce actively, including the use of commercial emails, online advising, and customers advice. Business and return association personal information about customer and your company is subject to finder and state provide laws. There are also online advising laws what product customers provide and ensure marketing product online. As an e-commerce business, online advertising is a major part of your strategy. About the push device and state government have processed new online advertising laws as the export in the online market. It is important to be finally through email ways. The most important rules beginning what customer must be able to opt out of message from business. In addition, is processing customers from adopt legs and mailing online approaching design work are protected on the invite by the digital marketers. There are solves what e-commerce business need to be aware of, including copyright, liberty, and our service product reception. More information about e-commerce can be found at the following resource.